Chef and Chefettes!
What's up, YouTube?
We are back!
Back with another video, baby!
Oh, yeah. From the title, we are making some delicious oven baked barbecue ribs.
Yeah.
And they are going to be mouth watering, like smack your mama kind of mouth watering.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Like, make sure you pay attention to this recipe. All right. So first things first. Let me tell you the ingredients. You're gonna need homemade seasoning. Make you this homemade seasoning.
Green seasoning.
I don't even know how many times we told you to make this. We even dropped the link in the description.
Yeah.
Have y'all made it?
Nope.
Then make it.
Oh no, she didn't!
Alright, so you need 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. We have onion powder, black pepper, salt, and barbecue sauce.
That's it?
That's it.
What?
That's all. We have some honey barbecue sauce. You want honey? Can they use something else?
They can use any of their favorite barbecue seasoning.
There you go. You see that?
Don't forget the ribs, bro. Really?
I was just about to say, and the last thing you're gonna need is some ribs. Some beef ribs, some beef ribs or some pork ribs. Today we're gonna do pork ribs. And watch what we're gonna do with all these ingredients.
All right, chefs and chefettes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So y'all got the ingredients to make these fall off the bone barbecue oven baked ribs. Guys, let me tell you what the first thing we did. So the first thing we did was we washed our ribs. We washed our ribs in some lime juice and some vinegar. Then we cut them up. We removed the excess fat. And then you know that annoying piece of membrane that you gotta cut off? Yeah, you gotta take the membrane off. So we took the membrane off. Guys, once we washed and cleaned our ribs, then we seasoned them up lovely with each of those seasonings Chef Sam told you. Guys, we used about a tablespoon of onion powder. We used about a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, the 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, and then we also, this is optional, we also put some barbecue sauce in our ribs, guys. This is gonna give it that extra barbecue flavor. So we did that. We rubbed everything in nice and good like this.
You rubbed it like that?
Don't worry about me. Guys, then we put our seasoned ribs in the fridge for about an hour. Guys, the longer you leave it, the better it's gonna taste. So that's what we did. We put our ribs in the fridge for about an hour. If you can, leave it overnight and we let it sit. And then I'm gonna show you what we gonna do next. That's your clue. All right, chefs and chefettes, we are back. Guys, it's time to take your ribs out the refrigerator. So we let them bad boys sit for about an hour. Now, what you're gonna do, guys, this is the secret recipe, the secret step. I hope you're paying attention. Don't tell nobody. Guys, now it's time to steam. Yes, I said it. Now you gotta steam your ribs. This is the trick to getting those ribs tender and fall off that goddamn bone.
You gonna tell them?
Shut your face.
It's not gonna be a secret no more.
Shut up. Nobody asked you. Guys, this is the secret step. You gotta steam the ribs. Guys, you can steam your ribs 3 ways. Yes, not one, not two, but 3 ways. The first way you can steam your ribs is you can place it in your oven dish, right? Your seasoned ribs. You're gonna place it in your oven dish. You're gonna cover it up with some foil like this, and you're gonna pop that mamma jamma in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes, maybe 45. That's how you're gonna steam. One way. The second way, guys, if you have a colander, you're gonna put a little bit of water to boil. You're gonna put your colander over the boiling pot. Put your ribs inside, guys. That's step 2. And the third way you can steam your ribs is the way we're gonna do it. This is the way we like to do it. Y'all listening? Mm-hmm. Did y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe? Guys, this is the way we're gonna do it. This is the way that you can do it if you like. Do it this way. You're gonna take a pot. You're gonna fill it up. Just enough water to cover the bottom. And you're gonna put those exact same seasonings. Half of those seasonings that you put. So if you put a tablespoon of onion powder, you're gonna put half a tablespoon. Put a tablespoon of barbecue, put a half a tablespoon. You're gonna put those same exact seasonings in the water of the pot. Put it on the stove, let it boil, and then you're gonna place your meat in the colander. Wait, no, that's the other way. I'm sorry, I am jacked up.
You mean the pot, silly man.
Yeah, that's right. No colander. We're gonna put the meat inside. I am just messing up. Guys, you're gonna put the meat inside that water in the pot. I'm gonna show you. Let me just show you. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. And that's what we're gonna do. And this is how you're gonna steam your meat. So stay tuned for the next step.
So we already steamed our ribs, all right? We steamed it for 1 hour. 30 minutes into that hour, we stir up the ribs. Why? Because we want both sides to be nice and tender and juicy and seasoned with all those ingredients Chef Trini told you to throw in that pot, all right? So that's what we did. Then an hour passed, we took them out, and mind you, we cooked that on medium heat, all right? We took them out, and this is what it looks like. We're gonna base it on this rack.
They look so tender.
Don't they look delicious? They smell divine. I'm gonna go heavy on this barbecue sauce. Why? Because after I do that and I base each side, make sure y'all paying attention, all right? I'm gonna put these bad boys in the oven, right? For 5 to 10 minutes on each side. Yes, 5 to 10 minutes on each side. Guys, make sure you pay attention. The only reason we're putting it in the oven is so this barbecue sauce could stick to your ribs, okay? It's already cooked. So you're not putting it in the oven to cook more, right? Right, Chef Trini? I really wish I could have got a new camera person already. Because this guy is a pain, you know. Pain in my behind. Alright guys, so you see how I'm basting these ribs, right? Let me just do a couple right here. Turn it over. You see this don't have no barbecue sauce, right? Do this just like that. Once you flip it, you don't need, after 5 or 10 minutes of the first side, you don't have to baste it again. It's all is already based. After that, take it out and enjoy. That's it, guys. I'll show you what that looks like too. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, it's finished. The finished product is here, all right? We cooked each side for 10 minutes. And look how amazing it turned out. It smells delicious.
It does.
It probably tastes delicious.
Taste it.
I'm going to. It was so hot in the oven, I had to pin up my hair, so don't mind my hair.
Totally.
Okay?
A good excuse.
Chef Trini,
That was.
you ever get drop kick?
I do. All the time, but I just saying it's a good excuse.
Like
hold on. We zooming in.
Not when I'm
Is it falling off the bone? Damn, bro. Ooh, you almost choked on that. Don't choke, you know. Oh.
Did y'all see that it fell out my mouth? I saw that.
Yeah, we saw.
This recipe.
We saw.
It's so juicy. It's tender. It's soft. It's mouth-watering, guys. That's it. Make this recipe.
Make it.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
And that's it.
And we are